Hi, this is a weekly weigh-in video. I've lost a total of 126 pounds so far on the Weight Watcher Blue Plan. If you'd like to see the results of this week and some tips that I'm sharing about how to lose weight on the Weight Watcher Blue Plan, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm doing a weekly update on weight loss, plus I'm going to share some tips that have enabled me to stay on the Weight Watcher program to lose a total of 126 pounds. And my goal is to lose 181 pounds. I started off weighing 362 pounds and I want to lose 181, so I would lose exactly half of my weight. So that is my goal. I'm about 50 something pounds away from losing it, so I'm still in the midst of weight loss. And I want to share some of the tips that maybe will help you when you have a lot of weight to lose and it takes a while to lose that weight, some things that'll help you stay with the program. And the number one tip is to focus on smaller goals rather than the larger goals. It is just so hard to, when you think about having to lose a whole another person, and it's way easier to focus on losing 5 pounds at a time. So that's kind of what I do on that. I'll focus on smaller goals rather than the larger goal. And then once you start doing it, the weight will start building up and you start feeling more confident and it's easier to follow. So that is the one thing I do in attacking major weight loss. Number two is to eat foods you like. I like to fix recipes that I know that I enjoy eating. I could never just sit and eat a salad and grilled chicken for all my meals. I have to incorporate real foods with real snacks, real desserts, and that's the way I approach this weight loss. So I've always converted recipes, for example, substituting different foods. If I'm using cheese in a recipe, I use low-fat cheese. If I'm using potato chips, I'll get fat-free potato chips, just anything to cut down on the total points. So that is one of my tips I use. I just don't want to deprive myself. Another thing I do is to try to establish a daily routine. Especially in the morning when I get up, I like to drink my water. So I'll drink at least 16 ounces of water. Then I try to get half of my walk in. I like to get 10,000 steps a day. So if I get 5,000 in the morning, then I will try to get that routine in. So I drink my water and my exercise, and then I'll usually eat breakfast. I used to not eat breakfast so much, but now I kind of do. I think probably I lost weight faster when I wasn't eating breakfast, but I guess I felt less hungry. I don't know, it goes back and forth, so it depends really on the day. I can really get by with 2 meals a day, but I usually do 3, especially when I'm doing a what I eat in a day video. So, because I know everybody likes a breakfast, lunch, and dinner ideas. Speaking of exercise, it's very important to get your fitness in, walk, or do videos, or some kind of fitness to keep your body moving. It's healthier for you. It helps you burn off your extra weight, and it just will help the weight come off faster if you're doing as much exercise as you can. Even if it's just a little bit a day, do what you can. And just get up and walk a little bit, park in the farthest parking spot from the store. If you're going shopping, just do those things. Don't just get up and walk as much as you can. and try to exercise. And then I like to drink a gallon of water a day, so that I find always helps me lose more weight. So I always try to get all that water in. I know sometimes it's hard to drink water, but you can count like Crystal Light. I use flavored drops in my water sometimes, put lemon in it or fruit, anything to make that water easier to swallow. I like to drink it more at room temperature. If it's just plain water, if it's flavored, then I'll put it over ice. So that's the kind of things I do to get water in. Another tip I have found to help me stay on the program for so long and be so successful is to plan your meals. I like to plan out my dinner meals for a week. Lunches and breakfasts, I usually just go with some ideas I might have for the week, or just to see what I have around. But dinners I always like to plan, and it's a great way to figure out your points. So if you have, say, 23 points to use and you have a 10-point meal, then you can plan your breakfast and lunch accordingly. If you have a 3-point dinner, then you can eat higher at breakfast or lunch, or add on extra snacks. So it just kind of gives you a guideline to work by. So that is how I like to plan my meals. So those are the major things I have done to keep my weight loss up there. And so I did gain some of it back when I stopped tracking. So I have to track my food that I eat every day, because that definitely keeps me accountable. And this YouTube channel also is helping me stay accountable on what I eat. Just remember, when you're doing a weight loss program, you don't have to be perfect every day. You just don't quit. And you know, and Weight Watchers or WW, you have a new set of points every single day, so you can always start afresh, and you have a new set of points, so it'll help you not feel defeated or that you failed. Just remember, don't quit and keep on trying to reach your goals, and you will. Please comment below on the tips you may have to stay on track and keep your weight loss going. So I hope you found some value in these tips. I appreciate all of you for watching my video. And if you have any questions, you feel free to ask me anything about my weight loss or what I do to help me lose weight. So this week on the scale, I lost 0.3 of a pound, very small amount. Last week I did have a bigger weight loss, but I still have lost, so I'm gonna take that and build on it from there. And my total weight loss is 126.4 pounds at this moment. So hopefully, I've been very slow this summer, and hopefully I will start losing at a faster rate. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.